Are you aiming to kickstart a career in accounting and finance? The Foundations in Accountancy by ACCA offers a flexible and comprehensive pathway to achieve your goal. What is FIA? The FIA is a suite of entry-level qualifications provided by the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. It's designed for individuals at any stage of their career, with no specific entry requirements, making it accessible to all. To get started, you'll need to register as an ACCA student. This is a crucial step as ACCA manages your exams, awards your qualifications, and provides exemptions for future studies. Structure and duration. The FIA comprises 7 exams. FA 1. Recording financial transactions. MA 1. Management information. FA 2. Maintaining financial records. MA 2. Managing costs and finance. FBT. Business and technology. FMA. Management accounting. FFA. Financial accounting. These exams can be taken as computer-based exams, either at approved centers or remotely, offering flexibility to suit your schedule. Typically, learners complete the FIA within 12 to 18 months. As you progress, you'll earn interim qualifications at different stages. After passing FA1 and MA1, you will achieve Diploma in Financial and Management Accounting, RQF Level 2. After passing FA2 and MA2, you will achieve Diploma in Financial and Management Accounting, RQF Level 3. After passing FBT, FMA, and FFA, you will achieve Diploma in Accounting and Business, RQF Level 4. These milestone qualifications boost your employability, allowing you to gain recognized credentials even before completing the full FIA. Learning options. To cater to diverse learning preferences, we offer classroom learning, interactive sessions with experienced tutors, blended learning, a combination of face-to-face and online instruction, e-learning, fully online courses for maximum flexibility. These options ensure you can choose a study mode that best fits your lifestyle and commitments. Qualification, exemptions, and career opportunities. Upon completing the FIA, you'll earn the Diploma in Accounting and Business, or QF Level 4, a credential recognized globally. This opens doors to roles such as accounts assistant, bookkeeper, and financial analyst. One of the biggest advantages of FIA is the exemptions it provides. Certified Accounting Technician qualification. You get 7 exemptions out of 9 papers, meaning you only need to complete the final 2 optional papers. ACCA qualification. You get 3 exemptions out of 13 papers covering the knowledge level, allowing you to fast-track your ACCA journey. These exemptions help you progress faster and reduce the number of exams needed for higher-level certification. Foundations in Professionalism module. In addition to the exams, completing the Foundations in Professionalism module is essential. This online module emphasizes the importance of ethics and professionalism in accounting, ensuring you're well prepared for real-world challenges. Financial assistance. In some regions, financial assistance is available to support learners. For example, the Isle of Man's Vocational Training Assistance Scheme helps individuals and businesses cover the costs of professional training. This initiative enhances workforce skills, improves job prospects, and contributes to economic growth. Why choose MPES? At MPES, pride ourselves on being an ACCA Platinum accredited tuition provider, a status that reflects our commitment to excellence in education. With a proven track record of learner success, we offer comprehensive support throughout your FIA journey, ensuring you have the resources and guidance needed to excel. Embark on your accounting career with the FIA. MPES, by your side. With flexible learning options, globally recognized qualifications, and dedicated support, your path to success starts here. Ready to take the next step? Contact MPES today to kickstart and transform your aspirations into achievement.